So till now, if we wanted to track our health or daily activity, we use devices like smartwatches and fitness bands. And now even smart bras and smart bandages are being developed. But don't you think all these devices collect data from just one part of your body, and because of that they miss a lot of information about how your body actually moves? But today, scientists at MIT have developed something incredible, a fiber computer, where a single thread contains all the components of computer like sensor, memory, Bluetooth, and even a tiny battery. Everything inside a single thread. And when these fibers are woven into a clothing, it converts a normal clothing into a smart clothing system, which can detect mechanical strain when your body moves. Now, the unique part is this smart clothing system has a built in AI which can directly interpret the data within the fabric itself, which means that it does not depend on any external device for the processing and the interpretation part. And in the experiments, it has been seen that when multiple such fibers work together, they can identify our body movements with up to 95% accuracy. Now, the biggest question, what are the advantages of detecting all these? See, let's consider if you are sitting in a wrong posture for long hours. So just imagine your clothes may detect that constant strain pattern and it can alert you that you are sitting wrong. And in that way, it can prevent your long term spinal issues. So, the biggest advantage is early problem detection and prevention. And in the same way, it can also help our elderly individuals, athletes, and military personnel by improving their safety and performance. So, this technology is already being tested in humans and is now being evaluated in real world extreme conditions like Arctic missions. So, very soon, your clothes might not just cover your body but actually take care of it.